Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. I hope with just around a month to go, your preparation is in full swing. And if it is not, just talk to me and I'll definitely try my best to boost you up. Okay. I hope just to keep everything in line, you are doing these three things very, very rigorously and continuously. If you are not, please keep doing this. Please start doing this for the rest of the days and you will really get some improvement in that. Okay. So these are about some of our achievers and which we hope that you are the next one. Let's see what today's set has to offer us. It says there's a company named as Telemia. It manufactures and sells four different type of products: pens, pencils, markers, and sketch pens. So it makes pens, it makes pencils, then they have markers, and they have sketches, right? So these are the four items that they sell. Right. Okay. So the selling price is given to us as 30, 10, 40, 25, and the cost price is given to us as 10, 6, 25, 20. Okay. So we are given the selling price and the cost price. So, right. Cost price is given to us as 10, 6, 25, and 20. And selling price is given to us as 30, 10, 40, and 25. Okay. Now they are telling us how the revenue is calculated. Revenue is calculated as sum of the products of price per unit and the number of units sold of each type. So if there is one product sold here, 1 into 30, 30. Let's say there are two products sold here, 2 into 10, 20. Three sold here, 3 into 40, 120. Four here, 4 into 25, 100. So net revenue would be 120, 100, 220, 240, 270. 270 would be the net revenue in this case. Okay. The total cost of the company is calculated as the sum of the product of basically cost would be number of units produced into cost price, right? Okay. The profit percentage of the company is calculated as revenue minus cost. That is obvious, right? Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. Now, what is the profit per item? See, in these type of questions, just to make our life easier, we can use this very easily. Profit per item, right? How it can be used? Let's see. So profit per item, 30, 30 minus 10, 20, 10 minus 6, 4, 40 minus 25, 15, 25 minus 25. These are the items that are generating profit to us, right? Now let's see the first question. There is no else information given. Let's read the first question. If during a particular year, the number of units of pens, pencils, markers, and sketchers sold are 1, 2, 3, 4. So one pen is sold, two pencils are sold, three markers are sold, and four sketchers are sold. So the total profit that I'm getting here is 1 into 20, 20. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 15, 45. 4 into 5, 20. So when I'm doing this, I'm avoiding two calculations. You don't need to 1 into 10, 10, and 1 into 30, 30, and then subtract it. It will give me the same result, no? Right? Similarly, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 10, 20, 20 minus 12, 8. ये भी तो same result देगा ना? तो क्यों ना हम profit per item को into 2 कर लें अगर दो item बिके हैं तो? Now, what is our net profit in this case? 28, 48, 93. What is our net cost in this case? 1 into 10, 10, 2 into 6, 12, 3, 3 into 25, 75, 4 into 20, 80, 22, 22, 75, 97, 177. All right. So basically 93 by 177. This would be the profit percentage of the company. So into 100 करेंगे अपने पास क्या आया देखो 50% would be 88.5. 50% is 88.5. I need how much? I need 93. So basically I need approximately 4.5 more, right? 4.5 more would be around 2.5 or 3%. So approximate answer would be 52.5%, right? This would be the answer. Okay. This is the first question. Let's read the second one, what we have here. Now, it says, if during a particular year, the revenues of Telomia company from the sales of these items is in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 5. Now, this is the revenue ratio 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 5. Now, so if X profit is generated from here, 2X is generated from here, 4x is generated from here and 5x is generated from here. This is the revenue generated. Then what is the profit percentage? Now, what do we need to calculate profit? I need cost price. What do I need for cost price? I need to know the number of items manufactured. How do I need to how do I get the number of items manufactured? That would be revenue upon sales price, right? अगर मैं कहता हूँ आपको, आपने आज कुछ चीजें बेची और आपको 100 रुपए मिले, ठीक है, तो आपने कितनी चीजें बेची होंगी, और मैं कह रहा हूँ कि एक चीज 20 रुपए की बिकती है, तो आप कहोगे 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 20, 5 आइटम्स आर देयर, राइट? दिस इज हाउ यू कैलकुलेट the total number of items. Now, when I talk about this, if the revenue is x, and cost price is 10, right? So this would be, number of items would be x by 10. Similarly, here would be 2x by 6, that is x by 3. Here would be 4x by 25, that is 4x by, sorry, 4x by 40, not 25, 4x by 40. Oh, sorry. It would be x by, not, okay, I've done a mistake. Revenue divided by sales price. It would be x by 30, 2x by 10, yani x by 5, 4x by 40, yani x by 10, 5x by 25, yani x by 5. Right. So what is our total revenue? That is x by 30 plus x by 5 plus x by 10 plus x by 5, right? Now, if I calculate now, if I so these are the number of items manufactured, right? Now, if I calculate the total cost price, what would be the total cost price in this case? The total revenue is 12x. The total revenue is 12x. The total cost price would be items manufactured into the cost price, so x by 30 into 10, right? So that would be x by 3. This would be x by 5 into 6, 6x by 5, x by 10 into 25. This would be x by 5 into 20, 4x, right? So total cost price in this case would be x by 3 plus 6x by 5 plus 25x by 10 plus 4x, right? So that is 5 to the 10, 30, 3, 10x plus 36x plus 75x plus 120x, right? 76, 25, 10, 75, 25, 100, 110, 230 और 11, 241x by 30. 241x by 30. This is the total cost price. This is the total revenue. Now, how do I calculate profit? Profit is calculated as revenue minus the total cost price, that was 241x by 30, upon cost price, that is 241x by 30 into 100, right? This is the total cost price. That would be approximately 30 into 12, 360. 360 minus 241, that is 119x by 241x into 100, x and x cancelled. This would be approximately 50% is 120, so it is little less than less, so 49.5% approximate. This would be the required answer, right? Okay. Now let's read the next question. It says, if during a particular year the number of units of pencils, markers, and this sold are in the ratio 1:3:5. So basically, now one item is being sold here, 3 is here, 5 is sold here. Then, and the overall profit is 35%. So what is the overall profit? That is 35%, right? Okay. Then what is the ratio of sketch pens sold to the number of markers sold? So let's say sketch pens sold are X. Now, how do we calculate the profit? The profit per item is 20. So if one item is sold for pens, the profit generated from this is 20. 12, 75, 5x. The total profit is 75 and 12, 87 and 20, 107 plus 5x is the total profit. What is the total cost price? 10, 18, 125 and 20x. So 125 and 18, 143, 153 plus 20x. This is equal to 35%. 35% is nothing but 7 by 20, right? This is 35%. So 20 into this, 2140 plus 100x is equal to 153 into 7, 1050 plus 21, 1071 plus 140x. This is the answer, right? Now 2140 minus 1071, 1069, right? 1069 10 14, ठीक है, 1069, 40x. So x is nothing but 1069 by 40, right? So this is what I'm getting, the number of sketches sold. So this is a very unusual x that I am getting, but let's see. Now, what do I need to find? I need to find the number of ratio of number of sketch pens sold to the marker sold. So 1069 by 40 and the marker sold are 5. So into 5. So that is 1069 by 200. This is the required answer, right? Okay, very good. Very calculation intensive question. Otherwise, this is not a difficult one to do, right? But in the exam scenario, calculation might hamper your performance a bit in here. Okay. During a particular year, the total revenue of Telomia was 21 million. So the total revenue was 21 million. Okay. And Telomia sold an equal number of pens, pencils, markers, and sketch pens. Now, what is the number of markers that they sold? Now, do I really need to take it x here and solve? No, I can simply use unitary method. See, let me assume that they have sold one of each, right? सबके उसने एक एक यूनिट सोल्ड किए हैं. अगर एक एक यूनिट सेल किए होते तो टोटल आपका रेवेन्यू कितना होता? 30 and 10 40 40 80 and 20 105. अब एक आइटम अगर सोल्ड किया है हर चीज का, if one item of everything is sold, the revenue is 105. But in actual, how many of items are sold? Let's say n items are sold of each item. In that case, what is the total revenue? 21 into 10 raised to power 6. So what is n here? N is nothing but 21 into 10 raised to power 6 upon 105. So 22 हो जाएगा, 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So n comes out to be 2 lakh. That is our required answer. Okay, I hope you have got everything now. Now, not a very difficult one again, but yes, calculation intensive. In the exam scenario, this set should be done, definitely should be done, and should be done in approximately, let's say, 9 minutes or so, 8 to 9 minutes, not more than that. I hope the explanation is clear to you. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.